Peace and blessings, beloved. I am Jay, the practitioner. I'm a licensed spiritual practitioner. I know all is well. All is well with you. All is well with me. And all is well in this vast universe that we coexist together in love and peace and in harmony. Hey, if you get a moment, if you need to go ahead and just tap that subscriber button next to my channel. If you like it, let me know as well. Also, feel free to drop me any comments. I answer all my comments. But more importantly, I just want to thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means a ton to me, your support for this channel. Thank you so very, very much. Now, as my custom, let's just go ahead and just connect to source. Close your eyes if you choose. In, out, in, and out. Today, my talk is entitled, All the Puzzles Fit. My talk is entitled, All the Puzzles Fit. Life is not happenstance. Nothing is by coincidence. Think about that. Just think about that. Sometimes life feels like it's scattered. Some giant, big crossword puzzle with moments of joy, pain, confusion, and growth. All lying in different corners of experiences. Again, joy, pain, growth, learning, all together, lying in all of our experiences. Think about that. Just think about that. From a spiritual perspective, there are no accidents, there are no coincidences, and no random moments at all. Every piece, the good, the not so good, and everything in between. Things we understand, things we don't understand. There's a perfect intelligence behind it. There's a God behind it, working out behind the scenes. Think about that. Think about that. Each experience we go through, grow through, pleasure, painful, pleasure, or painful, shapes the masterpiece that all of us are becoming, shapes this wonderful, individualized expression of the one I call God, the masterpiece, because we're all becoming. We're all becoming. Imagine that. There are no accidents, my friends. No accidents. Think about it. It's a divine mosaic. Each piece, each moment fits perfectly. Each piece, each moment fits perfectly. Even when it doesn't feel like it. Imagine that. Know this, my friends. God doesn't make mistakes. Infinite intelligence, divine love does not make mistakes. What may appear as a detour is often a divine direction. Again, what may appear as a detour is often a divine direction. Think about that. Every piece, every moment matters. Every lesson leads us to ourselves. Every lesson leads us to our real self, our God self. All the puzzles fit. All the puzzles fit. As always, thank you. Until we meet again, peace and richest blessings. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Namaste.